be filming a little bit different kind of video. We're gonna be comparing the exhausts on this car, my RSX, and also my buddy John's RSX. They have a little bit different setups. I'll get into that later. And then once we get together, we'll do like some revs, some flybys, and a couple other comparisons. So we just installed his Skunk 2 Alpha header, and it sounds like really freaking good. First of all, he's super excited about it. And then second of all, like, I helped him, but I'm literally, I think I was just as excited, if not, well, I can't talk, if not more excited than he was. So it was pretty cool. I think it sounds great. I am definitely jealous. Yeah, so I'm on the way to go meet him right now, and I'll pick it up from there. Oh, parking structure, you know what that means. Oh, fuck. Oops. Hey, there he is. My boy, I'm just gonna park in this real quick.
Why you do that?
Oh, shit. That wasn't me.
Why you do that?
That wasn't me. Damn, fool.
Get that. Get that.
Oh, I did.
This, now get that. Now get this, now get that. Now get this.
I'm confused.
The money shot right here. Get it. Zoom in.
That's as far as it zooms in. Alright guys, so we just drove up to the top of the parking lot. We got both cars. I think first thing we should do is we'll just like sit still and see which one is like sounds better or which one's louder. And then yeah, we'll go from there. I think we'll do, after that we'll do some flybys or something. So we're gonna let the cars warm up real quick, or at least mine needs to warm up, and then I'll put the camera back there somewhere and we'll do some revs, see how it sounds. I guess one thing I should mention is the exhaust setups on the car, on each car. So on John's, they're both Type S's. On John's, he's got Skunk 2 Alpha header and a Greddy Ti-C catback, full catback. And then mine, I've got the PLM header and the Invidia N1 catback. Both of us have the full catback and the full header, so no modifications, just stock how it comes. And I think yours is, I think his is it's like a 65, right? Or 60 mil? 60. I don't know, they're both like 2.5 or whatever that is, 60, 65. So pretty similar setups, but just different brands, so. Damn guys, so we just literally like watched the footage back and they sound identical. I mean, at least with this like shitty camera speaker that's on here, like that's all we could tell. But like they literally sound like they're identical. I don't know how it's gonna sound though once I edit it or whatever, or put it on a computer or not on this crappy mic. But so yeah, now we're gonna do some, I guess we'll do like some little takeoffs, like normal driving, and then after that we'll do flybys or like in cabin or something. But as of right now, I don't know if there's a difference. They sound pretty much the same. All right, yeah, go. wasn't recording. I'm just playing. All right, well, there you have it, guys. As far as we're concerned, they sound the exact same. At least from what we could tell on this camera with this tiny little speaker that's in the top with us listening to it. And by the way, it doesn't go loud at all and it's very distorted. Well, it's not very, okay. You can kind of tell, but it sounds the exact same. We can't fucking tell what the difference is. I mean, maybe mine sounds a little bit more like, I guess it would be called like high, it'd be like a higher tone or higher pitch or something. And John sounds a little more throaty. That's what I've gathered so far from it, but besides that, they sound identical. It's pretty much the same exact piping. But I don't know, I might be wrong. It might just be this camera. Comment down below which one you think sounds better. That would be John's RSX or Roy's RSX, my RSX. So comment down below, Roy or John, which one sounds better. But yeah, honestly, I don't know. It was pretty fun to film, but they sound pretty much the same. What are your thoughts, John?
I feel like the difference is definitely like in person more than on camera. Like,
yeah, like
you can tell a lot more in person. So, cause mine, it's so hard to explain. It's like,
yeah, I know it's just super hard to explain. Like we can't really tell the difference, like on camera especially, but like in person, it's like there is a slight difference, like the tone. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but yeah, I guess we'll just have to see which one sounds better or which one sounds louder. So like I said, just go ahead, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Share this with your friends if you want. I don't know, that'd be cool. I'd appreciate it. Goes a long way. I'm starving, please feed me. But hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
What's up, everybody?
Oh my god.